or 10 o'clock Zoom meeting. Her name is Imani.
Williams?
Yes.
Okay. Yep. Call you first.
Thank you.
Imani Williams? Oh, what happened to her? She logged off. She signed back on. I'll do her.
Mhm.
What do you want to do next?
John Zaki.
Okay.
Top of page 1.
Okay. John Zaki?
Hello.
Hello. Go ahead, turn your camera on for me, okay?
Oh, okay. How do I do that?
There you go.
Oh, I see. Okay.
You see?
All right. Yeah. Okay. Leave it like that.
I can see you. Yep, you're fine, sir, okay?
All right.
All right. Madam Court Reporter, you all set?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you
Morning.
so much. All right. Mr. Zaki, hold tight. I'm gonna call Miss Williams because she has to get out of here, okay? And then I'll call you next.
Okay, it's all good. I don't start school till 11.
Okay, fantastic. I do see you have your school shirt on.
I ain't even noticed that.
Now calling the matter, I'm gonna put you on mute for me. Now calling the matter of Chief versus Imani and Williams. This is ticket P 130481. Count 1, violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please the court, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Would you state your name for the record, please?
Imani Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. Good morning. Judge, the defendant's here for the purpose of pretrial. She would benefit, however, from attendance of the Better Drivers course. We're asking that the court would adjourn this pretrial to allow her to attend that Better Drivers course. She has been advised as to how to do that. She's going to spend the time between now and her next action date completing that course and come back re-educated and demonstrate that in a way that's going to get her the best deal possible. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, ma'am, I'm gonna set this for a pretrial date I'm giving you plenty of time. February 28th, okay? It's gonna be your new
Yes,
date.
ma'am.
So that gives you
Okay.
enough time to get over the holidays and get it together. And then you'll come back via Zoom, 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
for a pretrial, and hopefully you'll be able to get the offer you're looking for at that time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further, Ms. Williams. You're all set, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. You have a good day too, okay?
Yes. Bye-bye.
All right. All right, Mr. Zaki, you can unmute yourself, sir. Look, I'm gonna ask you to unmute. You see me asking you to unmute?
Yeah.
Yes.
I got you. All right.
Now calling the matters of the people versus John Ferguson Zaki. This is ticket P 1365739. Count 1, failed to use the seatbelt assembly system effectively. Ticket number P 1365773. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 138366762. No receipt of registration. SP 138366862. No insurance misdemeanor. SP
Yeah, I had all that stuff.
Hold on, sir,
They
don't
never
interrupt.
These are
me
just
while I'm-
charges.
My bad. Okay.
SP 138366861, drove while license revoked. Ticket number SP 1378154, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record, please.
John Zaki.
Thank you. Mr. Zaki, please understand that this is a formal reading of the charges against you. These are the things that you're charged with.
Okay,
And hold on.
She read it twice, right?
Yeah, it's more than a few times for not having a license, not having insurance, more than a few times.
Oh,
So
because I only got 4 cards here. Like, she named 12 things.
right, well, it's
What
4
is
different.
happening, Mr. Zaki, is that I call all the cases that you have. So some of
Oh.
these cases I caught today, they're for future court dates in February 1st of 2023. I just bring them all together so that way you don't have to keep coming back again and again. We can try and
Okay, yeah,
resolve.
I appreciate that. Yeah, I did get pulled over twice. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now we're going to set all these for the next action date, Your Honor. Please and thank you. For arraignment purposes, we'll ask for a not guilty plea to be entered on behalf of the defendant. We'd like to come back for a pretrial date as it would please the court. Thank you.
All right, so the court is going to enter in a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. I'm gonna have you come back for all of your tickets, okay? So if you get something in the mail other than this, unless you get pulled over between now and our next court hearing, your next date is going to be February 28th, 2023 for all of your matters, okay? For every matter that you have.
Yeah, I'm about to start my 5th and 6th class. One of them's online, but I still have other classes to take, and I'm gonna see if I can switch the other one to online until I can get all this straightened out. So I went to the Secretary of State and got something.
Okay, I was gonna say, try and do that, okay? So this is gonna be at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all these matters, okay, Mr. Zaki?
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, back on Zoom on the 28th, okay, of February. All right.
February 28th. Okay, I got you. I'll write it down.
All right.
I appreciate
All
it.
right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir, okay?
All right, you have a good day. Merry Christmas
You
to
too.
you.
Merry Christmas to you too, sir. Thank you.
Okay. You have a good night too.
You too. Thank you. You do. And enjoy school today. All
All
right.
right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got a 4.0, so I'm good.
Oh, good job.
Thank you. I'll show you my next report card too when I come back to court.
Bring that. It'll help.
All
Bring
right,
it. It'll help.
It'll be a
Thank you, Mr.
4.0 just like the one I got now.
Fantastic. All right, Mr. Zaki, we gotta get off so we can continue with
All
the
right, yeah.
document.
I know you're busy. All right. Thank you.
All right. Okay, you're welcome. Bye-bye, sir.
All right, bye.
Who do we have next, Attorney Bosman?
Ronald Walker, please, Your Honor.
All right, can I ask you?
No, Ronald Walker's in now. I'm waiting a plea. Sarah Waller, please.
I'm gonna hang up, man. I'll see you later. Thank you.
All right, bye. I'll put him on mute. Sarah Waller? Ms.
Yes.
Waller?
Yes,
All right, go ahead, turn the camera on there. Now, Ms. Waller. If you
Yes.
were coming to court today, would you have that on your head? Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sarah Waller. This is ticket number P1362813. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name for the record?
Sarah Waller.
Good morning, Ms. Waller. Judge, the defendant is here for the purpose of pretrial. And due to the nature of the charges and there's a genuine and material issue of fact, we're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right. If you want to have a waiver trial, Ms. Waller, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. Ms. Waller, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
yes,
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to go forward, ma'am?
yes.
Okay, so the date is going to be March 14th. March
Okay.
14th. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. It's via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed on today, Ms. Waller, zoom in on that day, okay? At 9
Okay.
a.m., I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, Ms. Waller, on March 14th, okay, 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
We're ready on Thaddeus White.
Mr. White?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Oh, we got on a nice tie, button up shirt. Now calling the matter of people versus Thaddeus White. This is Z ticket 808-719. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Thaddeus White.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're here for the purpose of pretrial. The defendant is continuing a not guilty plea. We're asking that the matter be set for a waiver trial by way of Zoom, please. With respect to bond, this is a first offense for the defendant. Is not part of any pattern of behavior. He does appear today and present to be sober, and that this is important. We'd ask that the court issue a personal bond with whatever conditions you think were appropriate. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. White, if you would like to have a bench trial before myself, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Mr. White, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to set it for the date of March 14th, 2023. That's going to be at 9 a.m. March 14th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay? It is going to be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in, zoom in today. You have a question?
Can you give me that date again, Your Honor?
March 14th,
March 14th.
okay? 9
Okay.
a.m.
All right.
Condition of your bond is do not drink right now. I know it's the holiday season and it's tempting. No, not right now, Mr. White, okay?
Okay.
Don't drive unless you have a valid license, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Those are my conditions of bond. The rest will remain the same, okay? Just don't, I know it's real tempting because it's the holiday season, but you're gonna have to.
I got a question. I got a question,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I work for the city of Detroit and I drive mostly, and they gave me like a temporary license
Yep.
instead.
Yep.
I can still use that.
That's fine. Yep, you
Okay.
can use that. I'm just saying, when they take, I know they take away your real license during this. and They
Right.
give you that temporary, that's fine, because you're at work and you're doing
Okay.
that stuff for work. I'm just talking about if they took your license completely away and didn't give you a temporary thing, then you
Okay.
can't drive. But you
Okay.
have the temporary stuff right now, so you can drive for work, to and from work, I think is what it is. And to
Okay.
work, like as a part of your working stuff, so
Okay.
just not. If they took it the whole thing, no, but you're good, sir, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome, all right, just really, don't get caught drinking and driving for real, because you're gonna come back before me, Mr. White, and I'm gonna remember you because you look so nice. And I know you're gonna come here looking so nice again, okay?
No problem, Your Honor. Won't happen again.
All right, I'll see you on March 14th for your trial at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You're very welcome, you too, sir, thank you.
So now we're ready on Jermaine Wilson, Your Honor.
Okay. Jermaine Wilson, you got it, Mr. White, you need me to go?
Yes, I'm here.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jermaine Raymond Wilson. This is ticket P 1306523. One count driver's license never acquired. Ticket P 1306522. Count one, driving wrong way on a one-way street. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, please state your full name.
Jermaine Ramon Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Judge, the defendant is here for the purpose of pretrial. He's asking and continuing a not guilty plea. We're asking that the matter be set for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom, please.
If that's the case, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Oh, you froze, Mr. Wilson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of March 14th, 2023. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Sir, it will be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today is how you're gonna zoom in on that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Wilson, I'll see you back March 14th, 9 a.m. via Zoom for your trial, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
All right, I will.
Honor Julie Ann White is ready. Has compliance documents.
I'm free to go.
Yes, you are, Mr. Wilson. Have a great day, okay?
All right.
All right. Julie Ann White?
Yes, hello.
Hello. All right.
Hi. Okay, 1 second. I was getting ready for work. I'm sorry.
Now calling the matter of People versus Julie Ann White. This is ticket P 1307168. One count improper plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman. On behalf of the defendant, would you announce your name?
Julie White.
Thank you. Judge, Ms. White has sent to my attention the certificate of no fault insurance, which is effective from September 23rd of this year until March 23rd of 2023 for a 2006 Ford Focus, the vehicle in question. She has also presented to my attention the valid registration for that same vehicle in the name of Miguel Palacios. This is the vehicle in question. It is a acquaintance of Miss White's, and she was driving this vehicle. It is properly registered and insured, and such. We would ask that the instant cases be dismissed here for compliance.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. White, you learned a valuable lesson, didn't you, when you get in somebody's car?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
so you always got to make sure, even if it's not your vehicle. I know it's not something that we typically think about, but just make sure, okay, Ms. White?
Yes, I'm glad we got them switched over. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Happy holidays and get to work, okay?
You too. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Thank you. All right, Attorney Bachman, we're just waiting on some offers, so.
Okay, I'm standing by.
In the midst of while we were waiting, oh, are you a co-host or no? Okay.
Yes, I am.
Too, she was looking for some help a little moment ago. If you want to hop in there and see what was going on with Ms. Williams.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Attorney Boston?
I'm sorry, did I miss you guys calling me?
Please leave your message for 248.
I sent, Prosecutor Dante the offers. I told him we need the offers, so we're waiting.
Okay. Thank you.
You sure about that?
There's only three of them, right? Let me see.
There was 4.
Yeah, okay, 4.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be much longer.
Oh, here he comes, and he's coming in right now.
Nice.
That was so fast.
Sorry,
They right there. That was fast.
January 20, 2023 at 9 a.m. You had court
Attorney
in
Murphy, you're on mute.
435. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Ms. Walker,
Yes, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning. I had some car trouble. I thought my court was this afternoon. I apologize.
But it's online, so what the car trouble got to do with it?
Because I had to drop my car off and I thought I had enough time to get home to call 36th District to see what time our court was. I didn't know it was this morning.
All right, let me see if we can pull your file.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Walker,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. We do have you checked in, even though you're like 2 hours late.
I apologize.
Okay, we're gonna place you in the breakout room to speak with the attorney. You need to stay in that breakout room until he comes in, okay? Speak with you about your cases this morning.
Yes, ma'am.
I did read your hat, but you're gonna have to remove it when you see the judge, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You want me to
Okay.
take it off now?
Well, when I place you in the waiting room and the judge is ready, then you have to take it off, okay? So if
Okay.
you wanna just, get it together before then, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna go to breakout room number 6. So when you see join on your device, hit join.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. White, did the attorney come in there and talk to you about your case?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room just for a moment, so he's talking to the other people who needed offers as well, okay? And then I'll get to you in a moment, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome, thank you.
Madam Clerk.
Yes.
Jamal Walker has some additional cases. They're actually set for show cause on the 22nd of this month, in 2 days, on Thursday.
How good is it?
You got them up? You got them?
Yes,
Okay. I didn't see them as part of the plea offer.
they might be.
They're not in the plea offer.
We're trying to see if they're state matters.
I just had it pulled up. Yeah, they're both, one of them city and the other one is a state, but it's one of those 500 ones that the state allows the city to write up. They're both 2011 case numbers.
That's why I was thinking so.
One is a state ticket. Oh, he got a whole lot of state tickets. Hold on a minute. That one are part of the fleet. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna have to regroup with your mom.
Yeah, I see. It's a convoluted mess.
All right, give me 1 second. Go, if you have some other ones, go talk to the other folks.
Okay, should I rouse Paula up? Miss
No.
Cole?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I'll figure something out.
Yes. You spoken with the attorney?
Yes.
Okay, you have an understanding of what's going on?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna place you in the waiting room till the judge is ready, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Walker? Ronald
Call for Walker?
Yes.
Yes.
Have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, I did.
Okay, you have a clear understanding of what's going on?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna place you in the waiting room till the judge is ready, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Attorney Bachman?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Okay. I think Mr. Williams' phone was dying, so I'm gonna call him in here first. Ms. Walker, I'll put you into the waiting room until I'm ready to talk. Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jaquez Williams. This is ticket P 1317192. Count one, drove while licensed, suspended, repeat offender. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
Jaquez Williams.
Thank you, Mr. Williams. We're here for pretrial. There's been an offer extended to the defendant. He is going to accept that and plead guilty pursuant to its terms here today. On his behalf, I'm stipulating the probable cause as to the number of matters that are being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of February 22nd of 2022. Were you in the area of Grand River and McNichols in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
While you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And the court is satisfied as well. It will accept the plea to the amended charge of failed to display a valid operator's license. The remaining count will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. I'm going to give you until February 21st, 2023 to have that paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. On Mr. Woods, Attorney Bachman, what we'll do is if he pleads to the one count that you got as well. So you got one count that was going to be failed to display, right? One count, drove while license suspended to fail to display.
Right.
We're gonna do a blockading on ticket SP 1387561. That's failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. And then an improper plate on a failed to display a valid operator's license from a 2015 ticket.
Okay.
The remaining tickets will be dismissed. It's like 11, it's like 12 tickets total. So the
So
remaining, yeah.
3 pleas, correct? Failure to display, 1 blockading, 1 improper plate from driver's license offense.
That's right. Yep.
Okay. I will be right back with his, of course. Yes, thank you.
No problem.
It sent me back to your room.
Okay, just stand by, sir.
Oh,
You ready, Attorney Faulkner?
We are.
Okay. All right. All right, Mr. Woods, you can unmute yourself and start your video for me, please.
yes.
Get to some place where you can be. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Jamal Woods.
Yes.
This is ticket number 318939, one count of drove while license suspended. Ticket 1154652, one count drove while license not valid. Count 2, no insurance, operator of motor vehicle. Ticket number 145021391, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number P1188403, count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, registration and or Blake violation. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1344061, count 1. They are failed to signal when leaving curb. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P414419, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket P1361521, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plates. And tickets number SP1387561, failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. Count 2 of that ticket is defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Jamal Woods.
Judge, the defendant is going to waive his right to any further trial or hearing on all of these matters. He's going to pursue a plea here today. There's a recommendation from the prosecutor that if he pleads to a few of these cases, a large number of them will be dismissed. On his behalf, to ratify this agreement, I'm going to stipulate to probable cause as to those matters being dismissed here, and he's going to plead guilty here and now. Thank you.
All right, sir, that's how you want to move forward. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case or about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. First, I want to take you to the date of May 15th of 2015. Were you in the area of Myers and Santa Clara Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Pontiac vehicle, sir?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes.
Taking your attention to the,
Sorry.
I got more.
Sorry.
Taking your attention to the date of June 15th of 2022. Were you in the area of Evergreen and Linden Streets in the city of Detroit driving
Yes.
a Hyundai vehicle, sir?
Yes.
And while you were driving that Honda vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Also calling and reading for the record, ticket number SP1387561. This is on the date of September 14th, 2022 in the area of Fielding and West 7 Mile in the city of Detroit. Mr. Woods was driving a Hyundai vehicle and failed to signal or turn leading from the curb. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied as to all counts, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And there has already been a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed. So the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates for a fail to display. Drove while license suspended will be amended to fail to display a valid operator's license. And failed to signal a turn leaving curb will be amended to blockading. So the fine for blockading is $175. The remaining 2 tickets, I'm gonna charge you $200 because you got so many tickets, sir. You got those other 2 tickets ready for
Yes,
everything else
ma'am.
will be taken on.
2015. Okay.
Everything else is part of the ticket. Right. So where do you keep going? What's more important right now than sitting in court? You gotta got all these cases. I done made a magical deal happen and you keep moving around. Where you going?
Oh, no, sorry. My twins was in the bed and I was just giving a pacifier. My girl, she was at work right now. I was just watching the twins. They was in the bed. Sorry about that.
You got twin sons, is
Yeah,
that correct?
my stepson, I just woke my stepson up to watch the baby for me while talking to you.
All right, so blockading 175. You have a fail to display. I'm charging you $200 for the improper plate. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines because you still have 2 other outstanding tickets from 2015 that you need to pay. That's 204 and 258. I'm trying not to overcharge you in these matters, okay, sir? I'm gonna give
Okay,
you
thanks.
until February 21st, 2023 to have these all paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. White?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Sharon White. This is ticket P 1329378. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record. Start counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you please state your name for the record?
Sharon White.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is here and prepared to give a plea of guilty pursuant to the recommendation. Here and now, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. So reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of June 11th of 2022 in the area of Plymouth and St. Mary's in the city of Detroit, Ms. White was driving a Ford vehicle and did block traffic by speeding. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
Absolutely, yes, so stipulated. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. Count 1 will be dismissed. Ma'am, typically civil infractions are due 14 days after you take the plea. That takes us to the date of January 3rd, 2022. 2023, I apologize. Is that going to be enough time for you, ma'am,
Yeah.
to pay that ticket?
Yes.
You
How
sure?
how much is the ticket?
$175.
And by January the 3rd?
Yes, is that enough time for you, ma'am?
No, can I have till the 10th, please?
Yeah, you can have a little bit extra time. I'm gonna give you till the 23rd of that month, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome, Ms. White. You're all set. Thank you for your patience this morning, okay?
Okay, happy holidays.
Same to you, ma'am, okay? Good luck to
All
you.
right. Thank
All
you.
right. You're welcome. Ronald Walker?
Hello, yes, I'm here.
Get your butt like the video.
Okay, thank you. And tell the attorney I said thank you.
All right, he heard you.
Okay. All right.
Bye-bye. Okay, Mr. Walker, this is court, so I'm gonna have you take that hat off.
Okay, I apologize.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ronald Walker. This is ticket number SP 1233265. Count 1, wrong way on a one-way street. Count 2, registration improper address. Ticket number SX 375925661. This is one count 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. This is a state ticket, isn't it? Count 2 of that same ticket is SX 375925662. You don't have police on that, Attorney Goffman. I didn't realize those were state tickets. Also call the ticket number P1324648. One count operating while reading, texting, or sending a text message. Ticket number P1324622. Drove while license suspended. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number P1218031. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1178243. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. He eating too on top of it. He is eating food. I cannot believe this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Got 30 million tickets. You know what, Attorney Goffman? I'm not even finished calling all the tickets. I am going to have to get an offer because he got some state tickets. I know, and I'm gonna give him the opportunity to finish eating for the morning. So I'm gonna put him into.
No, I'm done. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have my kids. I haven't ate nothing at all today.
Mr. Walker, say less. You shouldn't be eating in court. We understand. But
I get, but you know,
yeah.
sitting there in a room all this time. And okay, all right. Join room number 1. I gotta get him an offer on those speeding tickets. I didn't realize those were state tickets. Okay.
We understand.
Okay.
I see in room number 1, Mr. Walker. We're gonna work it out.
Too long. All right.
Okay.
Your Honor, would you like me to email Ms. Cole?
Can you please?
I
just
can.
want to be able to add to it, so that way.
The only thing I need, Your Honor, if you could kind of just give me the case numbers, she'll have me have the case numbers and the charges, and then she'll contact me pretty much right away.
Okay. It is SX 3759256. It's counts 1 and 2. Count 1 is limited access speed 16 to 20 miles over. He was doing 90 in a 70-mile-per-hour zone.
Uh-oh.
I know. That's why I had to pause for a minute because I saw how fast.
Hold on, don't say anything, Mr. Walker. I'm here to help you, please. Believe me. I'm here to help you. You don't need to say.
Count 2 of that ticket is failed to signal on turn or leaving curves. Those are like the only 2. I think the only 2 state tickets. Let me make sure. I'm pretty sure those are the only 2. All the rest of the tickets were City of Detroit tickets. So those are the only 2.
Okay. Mr. Walker, now if you want to go to room 1, then you and I can have a conversation, okay? And then you don't have to say anything because we're in an open meeting right now. I just don't want anybody to hear but me, okay?
Okay, I understand.
I'll see you in a moment. I'll be there in a minute.
I don't know how to switch rooms.
You should be already, okay, I'm sorry. I can do that for you.
It's okay. I was gonna say, we can put them in 2. Did you see 2 just pop up on your screen?
It said the host something. It went away so quick, but it just popped up at the top. It didn't pop up in the center.
In the left corner of your screen, tap it, and a box should appear, and it should have some dots in it. You see it?
Join breakout room.
Yep, join breakout room number 2 for me, okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is it tequila?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Tequila Walker. This is ticket P 13631221. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count two, tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Tequila Walker.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant presents today with valid documentation, namely a valid driver's license. This was issued, and I am referencing a photocopy that she sent to my attention and attesting to its contents as the officer of the court. A driver's license that was issued in her name, Tequila Camille Walker. It was issued on November 7th of 2022. It is current and valid and will not expire until December 21st of 2026, Your Honor. She's also sent me a letter. It is from the Bloomfield Eye Associates, Dr. Joshua S. Grant, and signed by his associate, Sally J. Murad de Cabu, a doctor of orthodonty, what is obstetrics, that she was seen and examined for photophobia and significant light sensitivity and was cleared for tinted windows as a medical necessity. Therefore, we believe that the defendant is here today and in compliance, and respectfully, we would move this court to dismiss the instant case for compliance, and I would stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation, please, and thank you.
All right, at this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation. Thank you. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, I advise you to keep that doctor's note in your vehicle at all times. If you get pulled over, they can pull you over just for the 10 alone, and you want to be able to show them that you have valid documentation that you're allowed to have your windows tinted that much. Because
I didn't know I was supposed to have it, but now that I know, I will. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You're all set, ma'am.
I'll be back with court's permission. We're going to wrap up Mr. Woods. I'm sending Ms. Cola an email now.
Absolutely, you're fine.
She said I can leave. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am.
By way of update, Your Honor, I did want to just inform the court, I have sent an email request to Miss Paula Cole. And shouldn't take her much longer to get back to me, like 5 minutes, maybe longer. I'm standing by.
That's fine, Attorney Chapman. When I get the offer, just relay it to him. Yeah, I'm here, so
Okay,
thank you.
thank you. Okay, here, let me hang up. I did get back from Paula, so I'm gonna go in with the defendant and I'll be right back out, Your Honor.
All right.
We're ready. We are.
Mr. Walker?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Recalling the matter of people versus Ronald Edward Walker. This is ticket SX 375-92561. Limited access 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2 of that ticket is failed to signal on turn, leaving curb. Ticket number P1178243. Count 1 failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P1077866. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket number P1233263. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Ticket number P1076047. Count 1, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission. Ticket number P1324648. Operating while reading, texting, or sending a text message. Ticket number P1324622. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number P1218031. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1233265. Wrong way on a one-way street. SP 1233265. Registration, improper address. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Ronald Edward Walker.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is going to thank the court for its formal reading of all those charges. We're going to waive any right to any further hearings or reading of the charges or anything like that. We're going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendations. There are separate recommendations, one of them from corporate counsel, and the other one would be from the state of Michigan by way of the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office. The defendant is going to plead guilty here to those recommendations on his behalf in order to ratify them I'm going to stipulate to probable cause as to the matters being dismissed and thank the court and the prosecutor for their prompt response to our request here.
What is the offer from the state attorney?
Okay, the offer from the state is that the defendant would plead guilty here on count 1. That count where the defendant is charged with speeding 1 to 20 miles over the speed limit, limited access. That charge would thereafter be reduced to 1 to 5 over limited access, a 0-point offense, and count 2 would be dismissed here. Thank you.
All right. You want to take advantage of that offer, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, hold on one second. All right. Did you have a chance? You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to take your attention first back to the date of August the 5th of 2021. Were you driving a GMC vehicle in the area of East Nevada and Finland Streets in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And was there open alcohol in that motor vehicle, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Also looking at the date of March 25th, 2020, were you at the location of Audubon and East Auto Drive in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you act in a disorderly manner at that location, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of July 25th of 2020 in the area of, let's see, M10 in Chicago in the city of Detroit, Mr. Walker was driving a Chrysler vehicle and did speed doing limited access 1 to 5. Satisfied, counsel?
As to each count, I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Absolutely so stipulated, yes.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea. 1 count, limited access, 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Entering without owner's permission to disorderly conduct, and open alcohol in a motor vehicle is going to end up being passenger instead of driver. Are these all these things that I'm imagining still open? Sir?
Yes, the first.
It's ridiculous. Mr. Walker, all these
Yep.
tickets?
Say less. Don't say anything at this point. Just let's acknowledge.
No. Okay, I want to hear what he has to say.
Okay, go ahead.
What you got to say? He already made a plea. I can't do anything. You know I'm not gonna be unfair.
Tell it. Go ahead and say this.
My life was a mess at a point, and it's getting cleared up. I'm getting on the right track to be a good civilian, to not be in any trouble or have any misunderstandings anymore. I haven't been pulled over or arrested since having children. And so hopefully with me having kids now, I stay away and refrain from having a record. I don't expect to ever endure any more tickets or any other type of trouble again in the future. I thank you guys for helping me clear up the troubles and the matters that I'm in right now. And I have nothing to say. I know that it is a mess. And I have, things to say, but it's a mess. So I'd just rather not say anything, but it's a mess. I understand that it's a mess, but I'm working as hard as I can to get that cleared up and to keep things in good standing.
All right.
Well.
I accept that. All right. Let me tell you, Mr. Walker, on one of these tickets, where you let somebody else drive your vehicle?
That's
were
a
doing-
couple of those tickets. That's
Huh?
a couple of those tickets. That's from letting someone drive the vehicle.
Exactly. I'm telling you though, let me tell you how they treated your vehicle. They were going 100 miles per hour in your vehicle. I'm just letting you let that register, Mr. Walker. Somebody you let use your vehicle was going 100 miles per hour. So you
I
gotta be
didn't let
mindful of that
them use
type
the
of
vehicle
stuff, okay?
either. I didn't let
Huh?
them use. They took my keys while I was.
Oh, well, you gotta be mindful. You're gonna be able to pay that by March 21st.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
Yeah, she don't have a job, do you?
I do. I do and I don't. I just got another job. I just lost my job for getting arrested for traffic warrants about 3 weeks ago. And so I was apartment maintenance technician and I missed my whole on-call weekend and I was getting calls that whole weekend. And when I got out of jail that Monday, I was fired.
Oh, take the late fees off. Yeah, take the late fees off. All right. So you still have 2 tickets. I'm not, so 2 civil infraction tickets, I'm not taking them off. Okay? One is 120. $120 is the other one. Let me see how much that is. They both 120. Let me see. No, put them in 120. So those last 2 is some civil infraction tickets that were on you from defective brake lights and no rear view or defective mirror, okay? Both of those are 120, but you're gonna have some time to pay those, okay?
Okay.
So try and take care of these first ones first. The other one will just be kind of open out there. So it's a total. I know it's a lot of money. It's $805, okay? But did you hear all those tickets you getting dismissed? All the other ones I'm dismissing, okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
we're gonna save you some money, but you're gonna have to come out some money too, okay? You may
Yes,
have some reinstatement fees you have to pay, but we dismiss. Let me tell you how many we dismissing today, so you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 tickets, okay? All right, 14, but you're gonna have to pay, it's about 805, because it's 2 tickets in civil infraction stage that I'm not gonna take out. Those are 120 apiece, okay? But don't worry about paying those by March. Just get them when you can, okay?
Others
But you
first.
gotta pay,
After.
huh?
Pay the others first.
Yep, pay the others first, okay? Pay that 125 first, okay? And take it in stages if you need to. Then pay that 240, okay? And then pay that 200, okay?
Okay.
If you need some extra time, Mr. Walker, if you call my court and we see that you're actually paying, I'll give you a little bit more time. If you call my court and ask for some extra time and you ain't made no payments, no.
Okay, I understand.
You hear me?
Yes, I understand.
Don't you come back to my courtroom with all these tickets, Mr. Walker.
I hope to never have to see you guys again.
Fantastic. That's what I like to hear, okay?
All right.
All
Thank
right,
you.
good luck to you. All right. I tried to reduce it as much as I could, Mr. Walker.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so
I took
much.
the late fees off your other 2 tickets too. So that's why I said just take your time. I took some late fees off. So
I really appreciate you guys' time. The person who endured the tickets, I like to go give them a black eye, but
don't
do
do
that.
that. No,
You'll be
don't
back
say
here.
that on the line. No. Just handle it the best that you can.
I'll tell them thank you too.
But you have to accept responsibility, right?
Yeah, I know. That's why I just said that.
That's right. Just make it a learning experience, and then you won't have to pay for this and pay like this in the future.
Mr. Walker,
Yes, ma'am.
one question. What happened on this EY? What was that? That was back on Audubon and East Audubon Drive.
Yeah, and that was a mess too. When that happened, it came to find out, because I got arrested that day, and when we were in the car and they were taking us in, I guess the lady supervisor told her that everything had been figured out at the property and I wasn't supposed to have been arrested, but she never like returned the ticket. So I kind of like been stuck with them. But that was a situation that wasn't a situation. That's still a situation that's making me pay.
Over
You
there.
said that was a situation, that was a situation, that was still a situation. You would, if they accused you of going into a home, what were you doing in the home? That's what I'm really asking.
Yeah, I was there. I was there with some friends. I was with some friends of some friends who home it was. It was just a mess. It got figured out, but I was already in the police car on the way to the precinct. And I got let out halfway there and I had to walk home and I had to get my car out the impound and it was a mess.
Thank. All right. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on that too. All right.
Thank you. Say
All right,
thank
you're
you,
all set,
Mr.
Walker.
Baller.
You still gotta pay.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Still
so
gotta
much.
pay. You still got like 605 to go and probably some reinstatement fees. So you're gonna have a lot to come out of still, but I'll give you an extra break, Mr. Walker, all right?
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys today.
Okay, all right, good luck to you, Mr. Walker. Now you can eat and enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Thank you as well.